Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to type at the rate on your PC or laptop. In this video I will show you that how can you type at the rate. So let's begin. So at first you need to press shift key, also press 2. Then you can see at the rate already typed. Just press shift key plus 2. I will show you that on screen. Press shift, press 2. I'll show you that, just watch carefully. Press shift, press 2. Then you can see it's already typed. Press shift, press 2. That's it. Guys, in this way you can type at the rate on your PC very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.